everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades, and let's dive right into the analysis here. And right now, when we take a look at Bitcoin, it looks like we've just finally finished this impulse towards the upside here. It looks like we're kind of getting ready for one final, I would say one final leg down before our continuation towards the upside. So right now it looks like the wave 1 is finished. So I'll just label this here for you. I don't know why I didn't do it before. Maybe I did it and I did save the chart. So wave 1, 2, and then we're going to be looking for a 3, 4, and then a 5th wave, right? An extended 5th wave maybe. We'll have to see how this ends up playing out. But if the bullish scenario is going to play out, then we'll probably need maybe a retrace back to the 60K level. Maybe we won't even go that deep, right? It could be very shallow, right? Depending on where this C leg is going to end. So looks like we got the A wave going on right now, right? So I'll just do a little bit of a count for you guys. We have an A, B, and then a C leg. So I'll be looking to see when the C leg is going to play out. But right now we need to see a B wave, right? So when we look at the 45-minute, looks like we currently are inside the B wave and the C leg of the B wave. So right now I can make out 3 waves here. So 1, 2, and then probably when the C leg is done, we can give you guys an accurate calculation of where this move is going to end. But for me, right now, let's just say that, we've met the technical minimum requirements for the C leg. It's just going higher than the B wave. And we can just pull it from the high all the way down to the low, and you guys can tell. You guys can probably tell where this is going to be going. So let's just say it ends here. Let's say this wave ends here like that. Then in the short term, you're gonna be looking at 60,944 all the way as low as a 59,200. So that's going to be an area for a buy for the C leg to end. But right now, I think that we may have a little bit more upside before this leg comes to an end. So I'm probably looking right around these highs here of 64,400. If we can reclaim or just retest these levels and the B wave, kind of ends there, in my opinion, I think we have a good shot of coming back down to the 61,600 to, depending, maybe $59,900 level. But right now, we have a nice downsloping trend line that we broke out of. So the longer we take in this B wave, the more in line this 100% retrace level is going to be with this downsloping trend line. So maybe right around Wednesday, we'll hit this level of 61,600 right here. Oh my goodness. Let me just pull that over here. So this is dependent on where this C leg is going to end. And I'm just estimating that it's going to end here at 64,000. So still some room for it to play out. So basically something like this, right? So but this can be adjusted and moved depending on whether C leg gets. So that's what I want you guys to know first and foremost. And then once this is in, we could possibly take off here in a very impulsive move towards the upside, a 3, 4 to 5, and then 82,000 to 101,000 is going to be the target. So we've already mapped this out correctly so far. This move has been very bullish, but I'll maybe be looking for a short right around 64,000, but be closing it pretty quickly once we hit this first area, so 61,600. So let's take a look at market cipher, and I'll tell you guys a little bit more info. We got a new weekly candle as well. Things were looking very bearish, very grim for Bitcoin on the weekly. You guys can see, we had 20 and a -5, 12 and a -4, 13 and a -5 with this massive drop, and things just turned around so quickly. Now it's like flat to neutral, bullish to neutral here, or sorry, a little bit bearish to neutral. Still bearish to band strength index numbers. But when we look at the 3-day, the 2-day, already printed green dots, so it's off to a good start. A 3-day has not confirmed yet though. A daily time frame has confirmed, when we're at the lows. Now starting to lose a little bit of momentum. So that's why I said it's important for us to retest and bounce up. If we can't, it's going to fail and we're going to go much lower. 4 hour, you already start to see green money flow come back. Losing a little bit of steam here. That's why I said the 1 hour is you have diminishing green money flow. So that's why I said this next pump that we get, might be maybe a nice little short opportunity that we could get around 64,400. Looking at the 24-minute time frame, you got a tight little momentum wave here, but you're entering red money flow. So this pump that we're getting at the moment could be short-lived, right? Or it could just maybe the wave 2 ends and we just go like crazy towards the upside. But we'll see. We'll know more as the trade develops and the chart develops as well. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on Wave Edge. So Wave Edge showing, smart money was buying, and that's exactly what happened. And we had a massive rally. Now we're getting a couple red crosses. So we're starting to see smart money start to take some profits, especially on the 1 hour time frame. They sold into this rally here, but it doesn't mean that they're not going to buy the dip back down if we do come back down to these levels. So just pay attention to that. 24-minute, not really seeing much here. Just probably a little bit of selling now after this pop up. So we'll see if we can get a nice little short opportunity here. So if I do get into one, I will let you guys know inside the Discord. First hand for the premium members. Green cross. Yeah, really nothing new, honestly. Just a daily time frame. You got a green cross like a couple days ago. But the larger time frames, nothing has really changed except for maybe the 3-day. The 3-day has printed a green cross, so that's extremely bullish. You've seen these green crosses before during the bull run. They've led to massive rallies towards the upside. So that's why I'm still betting on a possible retrace and then a continuation towards the upside here. Okay, so hopefully you guys can get this next trade. Again, remember, premium members will get access to this trades. Non-paying members won't get access to any trades. I get a lot of members joining, asking where the trades are. Guys, I only do it for $30 a month, and it's 50% off right now. Before Bitcoin makes a new all-time high. Once we make a new all-time high, the prices are going up, and you're gonna have to pay more to get access to my trades. Anyways, have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.